Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for May 3rd. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair we're expecting to move potentially as high as 130 and possibly as low as 97.71. Look for some resistance around 99.65. Look for some support around 98.90 in this particular pair. Switching to the Euro-USD pair. This particular pair has we're expecting to move up to 134.46 and possibly moving as low as 131.09. Look for some resistance around 132.28 and look for some support around 132.17. Now this pair, along with this pair, formed an inside bar on Friday. Definitely looking for it to break out of that. It is currently moving sideways, but the bias is to the upside. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this also formed an inside bar on Friday. It is moving somewhat sideways, biased to the upside currently, looking definitely for a breakout. We're expecting this pair though to move it potentially as high as 134.46 and possibly as low as 131.09. Look for some resistance around the 132.28 level and look for some support around 132.17. Switching to the US Swiss, this pair also formed an inside bar on Friday. It did close down on Friday. We are expecting this pair, however, to move as high as 115.07 and possibly as low as 112.35. Look for some resistance around 114.27 and look for some support around the 113.30 level. Now there are a lot of different inside bars throughout today as far as what is out there to look for. There are several inside bars that have the potential to break out. The Australian Canadian dollar has a swing trade that has a lot of things going for it. We have our trend line here. We're looking for a breakout, a short basically below the 0.8659 level. We have 50 pips worth of movement between this level and here before we hit the most recent level of support, significant support. The pair gapped up on the open, so we have an 89.1% chance that it will fill that gap before Friday's close, about a 60% chance that it will fill it within this session. So the idea, if you look at where we had a close, it's pretty much right at that trend line, and the fact that it has opened, moved higher, and then has pulled back now, I do anticipate us getting this break and getting 30 pips, which would be here to this support level, or it going down to 50 pips down to this level. I do anticipate that happening during this next session. So if we get a break below here, look to go short. Definitely would drop down to a lower time frame to pinpoint your exit for this trade, maybe the 5-minute or the 15-minute bar. Look for basically support to come in the market here or at this low here and here. So keep those two levels in mind, drop down to a lower time frame, and really look for your exits to occur. Well, that about does it for today. We don't have any real news till Wednesday, believe it or not. There's not a lot of news coming out. However, we are coming into a new month. Monday morning, this will be the first Monday of the new month. We had a lot of inside bars, pretty quiet Friday. Definitely look for some breakouts to occur during this next session. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.